guys, welcome back to King's Outdoor Life. We're back at the Bronx Branch property, investment property we have, and the front 2 acres here, the wooded section, I sold that, and the guys are there about to start cleaning that up, and then they're going to bring their dozer and clean some of this stuff up where my brush piles were last year. So I'm going to get in there with my tractor and push some of these logs around out of the way, and then bush hog around all this area that I can't get into because of where the brush piles were, and on down in there there's some areas that are too low and have a ditch through there that I can't maneuver with my tractor. So the guy with the dozer is going to come in, and he was going to bury these, but they're too easily accessible now. I'm just going to grab with my front end loader, hopefully push them to the woods where they're going to burn, and then delineate this area for them with my bush hog so that I can tell them, hey, I bush hogged around what I can get. I need y'all to push all this in with the dozer. So anyway, that's what we're going to do this afternoon. We're running out of daylight. It is 7 p.m. I got 37 minutes till sunset, and then maybe another 20 minutes after that, then I'll have to use my lights. So you may hear me use the word bush hogging. It's kind of a universal term around here, kind of like saying I'm going to Xerox something instead of copy it or drinking a Coke. It's not a bush hog, it's a Lowry Manufacturing, or LMC. It's an Andy 500. It's a 5-foot bush hog. Oh, there I go again. 5-foot brush cutter or rotary mower. But anyway, the rest of this video is just this of the camera showing behind me as I'm cutting these trails around the area where I need the guy to use the dozer in the next few days. So I've learned a lot of people love watching you mow. It's something relaxing about watching the mowing. So if that's what you like, the rest of this video is for you. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, and share with a friend.